Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unit, and today we're going to see how to insert plus or minus symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the plus or minus symbol on your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show in this video. So first of all, here there is no insert symbol option present on your WPS presentation mobile. So instead of that, you can just use your keyboard. Here I just using Google Keyboard. So you can just download the Google Keyboard or keyboard from the Play Store and just open the keyboard. Now you just click on this number section first, and now you can find a lot of options here. So you just need to long press on the plus symbol. So it will have the pop-up of plus or minus. You just scroll up and you just leave it. You can see the plus or minus symbol is inserted. So this is the only way that you can just insert the plus or minus symbol on your WPS presentation mobile. You just want to long press on the plus symbol and just swipe up to select the plus or minus symbol. So this is, you can just use this keyboard as an alternative for insert some of the symbols on your WPS presentation mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unit. Have a wonderful day.